Hi boys and girls, for this video we're going over 6-10. Again, it's more practice on subtracting and watching out for zeros when you have to borrow. It wants to double check. It has these questions at the bottom. When did you ungroup? Did you ungroup to get 10 ones? Did you ungroup to get 10 tens? Really want to hone in and check in on how your ungrouping and subtraction is going. So we start with our 1. 0 minus 0. Don't have to worry about it, is nothing. Normally, we would have to borrow for a 0, but in this case, nah, our life's easy. We can take nothing away from nothing. It's still nothing. Then we go to our tens. 7 minus 4 equals 3. And 6 minus 3 equals 3. So in our first one, did we it's clicked, sorry. Did we ungroup to get 10 ones? Nope. Did we ungroup to get 10 tens? Nope. We didn't ungroup at all, so it's an easy answer of no. On to our next one. Again, we have 2 zeros in our ones, so we don't have to ungroup anything, it's just 0. I can answer that first one right now. Nope. Moving on to our 10s. 7 take away 9. Can't do it, so I have to borrow from the 5. My 5 becomes a 4. 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 equals 8. And 4 minus 3 equals 1. So did I have to ungroup to get 10s? Yes, I needed 10 tens because I could not do 7 minus 9. Yes. For our last one, we have 500 minus 306. We start with our ones. 0 minus 6, can't do it, so I have to borrow. Can't borrow from a 0, so I have to borrow again. My 5 becomes a 4. My 0 would become a 10, but I have to borrow from it. So 10 minus 1 equals 9. 9, then this 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 9 minus 0 equals 9. Those are nice easy ones. And then 4 minus 3 equals 1. Did we ungroup to get 10 ones? Yes, we did. Did we ungroup to get 10 tens? Yes, we did. We still had to get 10 tens here to get to our 10 ones. So yes. All right, good luck on 6-10. Again, more subtraction. Focus in. When are you ungrouping? Do you need to ungroup? Can it be easy, or do you have to ungroup? Good luck.